death anniversary of the father of the nation, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, is being observed on Friday. Pompeo to visit Cyprus seek a peaceful solution to Turkey tension. The intra-Afghan talks will begin in Doha, Qatar tomorrow. The European Union has removed Myanmar civilian leaders from the human rights prize community. India and China agree to quickly disengage from border standoff. Pakistan and United States welcome the start of intra-Afghan talks in Doha tomorrow. Syrian military says that it has intercepted Israeli missiles fired towards Syria Aleppo province. Israeli minister says visit by UAE delegates under review as lockdown looms. Explosion at a military installation in the Jordanian city of Zarqa. Thousands of sleep in the open after the Greek refuge camps burns down.